Hey guys, I'm Jamie with SavorySaver. I share gluten-free recipes, tips, tricks, and resources to make your gluten-free life easier. And today, I've got a hot drink for you. We're gonna make some citrus ginger tea. It's an easy homemade recipe, only takes a few minutes, few ingredients, and you'll have a warm tea that is an immune booster with that citrus and vitamin C and the ginger, and it's got a little bit of honey in it for sweetness, and it only takes a few minutes to make. So let's get started by going over the ingredients. First up, we've got ginger. We're gonna use about an inch of this piece. We're not gonna peel it because we're gonna strain it at the end. If you wanna peel it, you can, but we're not going to. We're also gonna use the juice of 1 lemon, and we're gonna use the juice of 1 mandarin orange. If it doesn't give us enough juice, we'll use 2, but I think we're probably gonna get enough out of 1, we'll see. If you don't have mandarin oranges, use a regular navel orange or a juicing orange. Probably gonna want about half of a navel orange, the juice from that. If you want all of it, throw it in. It's not gonna change anything, just gonna give you a little more juice. We're also gonna add a couple teaspoons of honey. That's gonna give some sweetness. And just regular water for the actual tea portion of it. So let's get started. Move all these back over here. We're gonna start with about an inch of ginger. And like I said, I'm not gonna peel it, so I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces. And the finer the dice, the more ginger that's gonna actually be released into the tea. So you can do it pretty fine, because you wanna give all that surface area someplace to go. So we're just gonna chop it up here. Gonna add it into our pot. Next thing is we're gonna take our lemon, get it juiced. Take our mandarins. I think I am going to use both of them because the lemon gave us quite a bit of juice. So we'll use both of the mandarins and that'll balance out that sweetness with the tartness from the lemon. That juice to go into the bottom of the juicer for me. We're gonna add a cup of water. And then finally, we got our honey. Let's get that in there. Honey is another great thing for the immune system, especially if it's from the area that you live in. If you bought it in that area, it's good for allergies because the bees made it from the stuff that's in your area, so supposedly it's helps with that. So I think we've got everything in there. So we're gonna give that a stir. And don't worry about that honey not dissolving completely, because it will as the water heats up. So now that we've got everything mixed, let's head over to the stove. All right, guys. We're over here at the stove, so let's get this tea made. Guys, once you put your tea on to boil, you want to turn your heat up to medium-high and bring that up to a simmer. Give it a stir. That'll help that honey dissolve and move everything around. That'll take a few minutes, bring it up to a simmer. Make sure you have a pot big enough because sometimes if I make it and don't get a pot that's big enough, it likes to try to boil over on me. So make sure you have a pot that's big enough. It's only a cup of water, but for some reason if I use a small pot, it does boil up over. Guys, our tea is at a simmer. It's actually probably a boil at this point. So what I've done is I've turned the burner down to medium low, and we're just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and get all that flavor out of the ginger and mix everything together, and we'll have a nice tea in about 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. Our tea's cooked or boiled or whatever you want to call it. I guess steeped, even though it's not in anything. So now we just need to strain it. So I've got a little strainer over my mug. We'll just pour it in to get those ginger pieces out. And we'll put the ginger off to the side. And then can you see how that orange that is? That is a bright orange, citrusy, gingery cup of tea. It's got the bite of ginger, it's got the sweetness of the orange, the tart from the lemon, sweetness from the honey, a little bit of florally note there. It's good for the immune system. It's pretty hot, so let's see how I can sip it yet. It's good. It's got a real good taste, good balance between the sweet and the tart. Not enough ginger where it's gonna knock you down like ginger can do sometimes, but it's you can definitely know it's in there. So that's all I've got today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my video with others. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new recipes go up. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.